Kite. Quadrilateral. Definition. Kite is a special type of quadrilateral. It is named kite because its shape resembles the traditional flying kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. AD is equal to AB and BC is equal to CD. A singular pair of opposite angles is equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Diagonals intersect at right angles, perpendicular. Angle AOD is equal to angle AOB, is equal to angle BOC, is equal to angle DOC, is equal to angle 90 degrees. One diagonal bisects the other. Angle ABC equals angle ADC. Diagonals are not equal. BD is not equal to AC. Symmetry. A kite has one line of symmetry, along its longer diagonal. This line divides the kite into two congruent triangles. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like,